Alright guys, we have some nice setups going on right now on XRP around this area here as I am looking to take a long here, and I am updating you as always here guys with my trades. So what's gonna happen here on XRP, especially as we have Bitcoin now here topping off a little bit, looking for a retrace, and this is my plan here for XRP as we have a nice setup going on here for a long. Now we've been rejected from this levels here as we can see now this is the main range here for XRP. Now this is the high time frames. Now so far still going on this uptrend here on XRP. Now I do not think we are ready yet to go back here to take that high, but locally on the lower time frames we have some of the juice going on here on XRP, and we could see a bounce here, especially now that we have these juicy tops here on XRP that I believe that should be taken soon now around these levels, around that 55 level. And now what is my entry right now here? So if you've watched my previous Bitcoin video here, I'm as well waiting for a long position on Bitcoin. And what we got here guys is now on Bitcoin we can see this low here, which is important right now, this low here around that 26,300 26,350. Now this low here was made or was a retest. Once we've seen this rally, we had this retest on this low and then another rise up. Now this basically would be a good support in my opinion here, as well as we have a lot of liquidity here going on, and this would coincide here with XRP. As we can see now here, XRP has a very simple chart going on right now. Now XRP has this zone here that we can see we bounced off from right now around that 49.60 and 48.90 level, as well as to the upside right now here we have these highs. Now these highs are important as now this is where most of the liquidity right now is resting, which is around that 55.82. So my plan here is going for another retest around this area here, and then we go back towards these highs, which is basically a 13% trade, which is perfect for a day trade. Now I'm waiting for that setup to happen here on XRP locally. Now for the higher time frames, if you haven't watched my higher time frame XRP video, now the point here is we are still waiting for Bitcoin here to actually give us the heads up, right? So we have this high, which is an important high right now on Bitcoin, which comes around that 28k. Now the point here is if we break above here and hold and close a daily candle here, now this would be a signal that Bitcoin could go back towards these highs, and now we could possibly see higher, and this would mean that we could see something similar happening on XRP, which we bounce here, we take that local trade here, possibly take these highs and then come back lower, then we could see that rally up. But then we need some sort of strength coming in here from Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is really what is holding the market long term right now, especially holding the altcoins is Bitcoin right now. So far here Bitcoin, we're still having this lower highs structure, which is not the greatest right now, but so far here locally on the lower time frames we are still on this bullish uptrend here, which is why I am going for that long here locally on XRP. Now for the higher time frames, what I would like to actually see on XRP now is we want it to go back towards this low. Now this low here looks perfect. I'm guessing a lot of people are putting their stops here now. For all this range here, we've been ranging now here, and we possibly could keep ranging here. A lot of people that take longs right now have their stops right here, and you can see now here the same thing played out here. We can see we had a long range where it took a long time here. We spent a long time here around this range, and we could see the same thing playing out right now here, where we basically do this, let this play out, then come back here and then range, and then maybe take these, and then we go back up higher for that ultimate high now here around that $1 mark here on XRP. So that's the long-term view here on XRP. Now so far what I am seeing is that we always come around these levels, around this area, and we accumulate for a while. We have these accumulation phases, and that's what we have here. Now the likelihood of this one breaking to the downside is pretty low. As we can see now, we have a long-term bullish structure here on XRP with higher highs, higher lows. Market is just going higher and higher, so the likelihood that it will actually break lower is very low compared to the actual probability of going up from here. So that's my play here on XRP. Now if we ever get these lows here, I would be more than happy to take longs here on XRP. Now so far, as I explained to you guys, locally on the lower time frames, this is my area of interest. Now I could mark it here just to make those prices somewhat visible. We can see around that 49 and around that level here as well, around that 48.74. So that's area of interest. As you can see now, we marked it more than twice here, and then third time here. Possibly we go back lower here and then send it higher. So that's the plan so far here, guys, for XRP. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section. As well, you can join my Discord. We have the link in the description. It's for free to join. I share all my day trades there. You can as well ask any questions. And remember, there is a huge competition going on right now on FairDesk. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to trade on this exchange. You can trade derivatives on this exchange, most of the altcoins and Bitcoin as well, and 1.8 million USDT up for grabs for the winners, and a daily 4,000 bonus for the top 10 traders as well participating in this competition. So I'll leave you the link in the description if you are interested to join in or trade derivatives with no KYC, no VPN. Thank you again for watching this video, and remember, nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.